I wasn't planning to buy anything that day. Then I saw this. A portion left to rot.
This belonged to my grandpa. He bought it in 2021. Luxury, just sitting here.
It hadn't moved in years. The inside was worse.
And it was abandoned.
He told me it would never run again.
He was done with it.
But I wasn't.
I asked one question. What if I could bring it back? This was the first step. Years of neglect washing away.
I could finally see the paint.
The inside was untouched for years.
This wasn't just dirt.
It felt like uncovering history.
I had to strip it down.
Everything needed checking. But it had to be done. This was the moment of truth.
Abandoned, but not destroyed.
I wanted to see everything.
This place was silent.
But this was only the beginning. Now the real work started. Every wire had to be checked. Neglect leaves marks. I didn't want surprises later.
This was about trust.
It hadn't stood right in years. Safety came first. I held my breath.
And then it happened.
It was waking up.
This deserved respect.
It was becoming a home again.
Luxury lines returning.
This badge still meant something.
I wanted comfort back.
This changed the whole feel. Precision mattered.
This was a turning point.
It stood proud. And this was only halfway. This was the moment I waited for. It finally looked whole again.
I wasn't rushing this. This was a fresh start. That color brought it back to life. This changed everything.
Perfection takes time. I respected the name.
This felt unreal.
It felt right again.
This wasn't abandoned anymore.
I didn't expect that.
You can see the difference. Those in life.
This changed the stance.
This was a home again.
That shine wasn't there before. I stepped back.
I couldn't believe this was real.
This felt different.
This was worth saving.
I couldn't believe it was alive.
That sound felt unreal.
It was ready.
This was the first drive.
It didn't feel abandoned anymore.
It felt solid.
It drove better than I expected.
This was freedom again.
He didn't expect this.
This was his dream.
He hadn't seen it like this.
He was quiet.
That moment said everything.
This was bigger than a rebuild.
It came full circle.
From forgotten to finished.
This felt like peace.
Some things deserve saving.
This badge still mattered.
It wasn't abandoned anymore.
We didn't look back.
This was a second chance.
This was my grandpa's dream. Say